In order to start using fingerprint sensor on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to settings. In the settings, we need to find lock screen and AOD and then choose it. And then go to screen lock and biometrics. If you already have the screen lock set up, then good. You can proceed by pressing fingerprints. If not, then first you need to set up the screen lock. And once you do, then go to fingerprints. Over here, press continue and then register. Now over here we have the sensor and we need to tap, well not tap, we need to press our finger on the sensor and then release it once the circle is filled that you have around your finger. Try to scan from every side possible, I mean the finger of course, so that later on in the future you don't have any issues with unlocking the device. Now I am using this finger over here, so probably it is not the convenient one for many people. Most likely you want to use thumb actually, but just for the purposes of this video I'm using this one over here. And there we go. Once you have 100%, we can either add another fingerprint, so we can scan another finger or the same finger just to make sure that it is scanned correctly, or we can press done. If you press done, then you will find fingerprints settings where you can find your fingerprint over here, so later on you can rename it over here or remove it. We have the option to add another fingerprint. We can check added fingerprints. There we go. We have the name of the fingerprint that we are using. We have options where we want to use the fingerprint and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.